Nangu Khethi Matlala ke from ejele wathi wena uthe mina ngine ID yaseSwaziland wakhohlwa wena ukuthi ubuyaphi. Nawo nama ID ayi3 uyenza ama business. Sesivelile nala ukuthi ID le eqala wenza ibusiness kuphi. Ne company bani ID number 2 yenza ID number 3 yini yona leyo mara. Sabanjwe ngopresident onjani na la eSouth Africa. I wish President kube umkhwanaza that I don't belong to any political party and I don't want to be associated with all. If singathola umuntu ofana naye, hayi South Africa izobuya. Siyamnida uTraore la eSouth Africa. But lesigebengu lesi ngisho nanoma kuyovotwa. Ngavela ngayeka mina ANC mangila eNasrec lento ngiyibone la eNasrec makususwa umam Nkosazana Zuma kungena uCyril lobugebengu bayenzwa lapha eNasrec ngavela ngathi angisafuni nix engihlanganisa neANC I'm out ngiyohlala ekhaya ngisazingena izindaba zepolitiki. iIC nikezwe amamiliyoni ngamabox mawufika nje nawo amabox agcwele kubhadalwa wonke umuntu ukuthi bhadala wena hambe uvote iANC sho ukuthi bazohlala la ngenkani not ukuthi ANC not ukuthi abantu base South Africa abavoted. No, they never voted. Even as eNasrec abamvotelanga uCyril uzifake ngenkani. Hayi yena beka to protect umchunu wathi yena ngoba yena ucabanga ukuthi uhlakaniphila ngithi yena uCyril wathi yena uzoyenza le commission njengale yakaZondo commission leyana wathumela omunye umfana active kuANC ukuthi lo mfana lo imali mayingene through lo premier wase Eastern Cape and then upremier wa coordinator leyo 5 million rand wayinikeza lo mfana lo active bambiza uFakula isename yakhe wakaFakula wase East London that hambe yodeliver le 5 million rand endlini kaRaymond Zondo so he can cover up for le iZondo report angaphumi uCyril makuvela uZuma namaguptas only Cyril angaveli hayi wayodeliver la mntana coming back la mfana ama comrade amanye bathi uCyril uhlala hlukumeza uZuma why yena singamreport na for lobugebengu abenzayo because uformulate ama commission the next thing makunama commission abantu bayafa kulama commission anyone who cannot who cannot protect him ufanele afe before la mfana loyana wahamba nalamaye ama comrade wafika wavula icase kwaba ne case number ekhona in the public space against uCyril no premier law wase Eastern Cape no Raymond Zondo that laba i3 lapha bayenza ubugebengu leKuZondo commission then leyo case number yabakhona wayenza neaffidavit that this is how I was contacted by the senior leaders the ANC the province Eastern Cape ukuthi mina ngihambise le mali ngihambisile ngideliverile but manje sengibonile ubugebengu lo ndiya report. One day the person who was bekayenza le case upolice la khona lamfonela lithi woza la eSpoiseni waya mafika eSpoiseni ufonela lo wecomrade lakhe namanje sikhona kulama video ahlala thunyelwa la kuma chat group amaningi wathi phela manje sengisenkingeni le police lelithi ngiwithdraw this case if ngisafuna ukuphila bo Cyril bathe if lo mfana lo usafuna ukuphila makayi withdraw leyo case mina ngiyalila lo bhuti lo phoyisa wafonela yena loyana wathi hey khuluma naye lo ngihlele naye la le case le izombulala maka withdraw this case loyana wathi Cyril naye ihlala a report amaZuma izinto wrong nabantu bayamreport uZuma nawe abantu bayi-entertain wayaya uZuma nabasemakhoto it's time for Cyril naye ecourt kanti the why what is wrong hayi after an hour or so uyafona uthi ngivalelekile kwenye indawo I've been told ukuthi today is the last day, ngeke nisaphinda ningibona. Ngicela uye ekhaya uyokhuluma no mntana kasisi wami Robert, whoever wasendlini, athathe ifoni encane inyana ekhona, nimbone ama-messages lawo bewakhona between mina naleya mali ukuthi kwenzakale ini leyana engibulalayo today. Yonke into ilaphana kulaa foni. Mina angiyazi kungenzakala ningasaphinde ningibone. Namanje waphelela lapho, or bambulale bamgubhela, or bamenze njani. Cyril angazathi ngikuqedile, usho njalo ukubulele. Unathi umthetho bathi bekaphethe izinto eziserious kabi le. Bekafanele azovela kuMadlanga Commission, including uMarikana, that yes, uCyril interfered nomsebenzi wethu SAPS. Because as the owner of Loan Mean Mine, lana abasebenzi bebacela khona i-increase from la 9,000 bayitholayo to at least 10,000 or 11,000. UCyril instead ukuthi abanikeze nyana lawo ma-2 cent bacela ama-mine workers. Njenge-owner yala Loan Mean Mine, wabhala i-email wayithumela laphayana. Angisakhumbuli whether ku-Ria Pierre or kanjani. URia Pierre wathi kubona, dubulani lezo zinja ningazidlalisi. And vele abazange babadlalisa amaphoyisa. Bayibabiza ke group yonke i-provincial team e-Northwest ya instructiwa naleyo email ukuthi bulalani